You want the best? You want the fastest? You want the most dangerous? Then welcome to the ultimate destination for extreme firewood processing. We've got the machines, we've got the chainsaws, and we've got the action. Let's go! Let's delve into the sophisticated world of firewood production, where the GAE 8000 and X Power 65 are redefining standards. The GAE 8000 isn't just a machine, it's a craftsman, meticulously preparing logs with precision. Enter the Growy X Power 65, a titan in its own right, wielding 25 tons of splitting force to transform these logs into perfectly sized firewood. This isn't merely about processing wood, it's about crafting a seamless, efficient, and safe operation. Tired of back-breaking labor and inconsistent firewood? The Cord King solves your winter woes with its monstrous 58 tons of splitting force. No log, no matter how stubborn, stands a chance. But here's the kicker, the 16-way wedge. Imagine 16 perfectly split pieces from a single log. It's a game changer. And for a flawless finish, the Tumble King removes every last bit of debris, leaving you with firewood that's not just split, but refined. Problem solved, folks. Winter is coming, but you'll be ready. Maintaining clear sightlines and mitigating storm-related hazards in urban areas necessitates strategic vegetation management. Proper pruning and removal are key. And that tiger cat? State of the art. The power-to-agility ratio is exceptional for this kind of work. Hey everyone, have you ever had something take over your yard? I'm not talking about a few weeds, I'm talking about a log. A gigantic, monstrous log that's been camping out for a whole year. This thing is probably bigger than my car. So, the time has come to say bye-bye to our woody friend. Let's watch and see how this guy manages to finally reclaim his yard. Get ready for some log-splitting action. The Binderberger WS700FBZ is a robust and efficient conveyor belt saw. Here, we see it paired with a Deutz 5006 tractor, utilizing 48 horsepower and a slightly increased idle speed. The power takeoff, PTO, is set to 1,000 revolutions per minute, which is ideal for this kind of operation. This setup demonstrates a well-balanced power-to-task ratio, making the process of sawing firewood seem effortless. This is a great example of quality machinery for effective fuel preparation. Wow, just look at that. Ever wonder how a giant tree becomes, say, a beautiful table? This video gives us a peek. That massive Trembesi tree, soon to be transformed, is being taken down by what looks like the king of chainsaws, the Stihl MS-881. Where will this wood end up, I wonder? A cozy cabin? A fancy restaurant? The journey is fascinating. Oh my gosh, did you see that? That guy almost bit the dust. He's super lucky to be okay.
That way.
All right, folks, let's break down the real stars of this show. The Vosh attachments for the Senebogen 718E, demonstrated expertly by Senebogen dealer Willing in Berlin. We're talking a saw grapple that'll make quick work of any felling task. A forestry mulcher that'll chew up brush like it's nothing, a precise hedge cutter. And a stump grinder that'll erase any trace of unwanted tree remains. This boom extension with specialized kinematics is what makes it all possible. It's the ultimate land management tools. While it's always bittersweet to see a venerable tree come down, the reality is that all trees have their lifespan. If we don't proactively remove it, we're risking a potential hazard.
He's got working with. Getting paranoid. It's gonna work, but I am digging a moat all the way around this tree in hopes that I can move. There it goes.
This tree may appear small, but don't let it fool you. This one's a real monster. You'll see what I mean when we get it on the ground.
Now, that's a stump. I've never met a tree I couldn't get.
Smart thermostat to make sure it's nice and cozy when you get home. Join over a million people using Home products, and make it save up to £130 per year on your heating bill. Search Home to discover.
Hey everyone, what are your thoughts on this? Let's get a conversation going in the comments.
Yes, boy.
Oh my gosh, that poor guy. Can you imagine? Being a new driver is so nerve-wracking. He'll be okay though. We all have those moments. Are you ready to witness a revolution in grinding technology? Trust me, your jaws will drop when you see this beast in action. The Diamond Z DZH 7000 is here to blow your mind. Picture this, a machine so powerful, it turns mountains of waste into manageable mulch in minutes. Can you feel the excitement? So, like, everyone has bad days, right? But, how bad is, like, too bad? Alright folks, let's talk excavator attachments, specifically for the 1.5 to 5 ton range. The Splitfire 3209, what makes it a good option? It's the sheer power. We're talking 20 tons of splitting force. That means you can take those oversized, unwieldy rounds and transform them into perfectly sized pieces for whatever your project demands. However, I think the manufacturer needs some improvements on the fuel supply line. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. Phew, you guys. For a sec, I was like, they're going down. I thought they were gonna go off that slope. So glad it was just me being, you know, a little extra. Stump removal can be a real headache, but it doesn't have to be. The right equipment makes all the difference. Today, that equipment is the Carlton 7015TRX. This machine is designed to tackle even the most stubborn stumps. Let's see how this machine tackles those obstacles. Problem identified, solution in progress. We've got a 30-ton digger, not just moving earth, but splitting logs with a rather unique attachment. This isn't your everyday log splitter. What catches my eye is the efficiency and power this system brings to the table. It's an innovative approach, taking a machine typically used for excavation and repurposing it for wood processing, readying logs for chipping. This method could potentially streamline operations in the lumber industry or large-scale land clearing. I was surprised to learn that sometimes tree felling starts at the top, not the bottom. It seems counterintuitive, but it makes sense when you think about it. By removing the branches first, they make the tree lighter and easier to control when it falls. It's like taking apart a tower piece by piece instead of trying to knock the whole thing down at once. This is a classic example of why tree felling is a skilled profession. Even when you do everything right, things can go wrong.
Whoa!
The TigerCat 855 E-Feller Buncher features a fuel-efficient engine, ER boom technology for reduced energy consumption, and Sky View Yao's rear-view camera systems for enhanced safety. The 570 harvesting head boasts independent knife arms for superior processing, a fixed 340-degree rotating wrist for improved control, and a robust design for increased uptime. The TigerCat D7 control system provides intuitive operation and advanced functionality. I don't know about this. Something just feels off. And there you have it. Let's watch this video of an excavator stump grinder, and you'll be amazed at how effortlessly it chews through those stumps. It's got these wicked-looking tungsten teeth that can handle just about anything. And the way it swings back and forth, it's like a dance. I'm no expert, but this thing looks like a serious time saver for anyone dealing with land clearing. Whoa! That Ursus tractor is pulling a mountain of logs. It's impressive, but it also looks a bit risky. Those Polish tractors are tough, but even they have their limits. Maybe they should lighten the load a bit? It's like they say, don't bite off more than you can chew. It's better to play it safe and keep that tractor running smoothly. The Pezzolato TB600 is an automatic vertical log splitter designed for efficient kindling production. It features a 30-ton splitting force and can accommodate logs up to 600 millimeters in diameter. Powered by an 18.5 kilowatt electric motor, it offers quiet and emission-free operation. The machine's compact design and vertical splitting action make it suitable for a variety of applications. Okay, that's a pretty cool wood chipper. But I gotta be honest, it looks a little scary to me. No safety guards? That's a bit risky, don't you think? I was blown away when I saw this Morbark 30 RXL chip harvester in action. It's like a wood-eating monster. That giant 83-inch disc spins with incredible force, powered by a 1,050 horsepower engine. It can devour whole trees in seconds. It makes you wonder how they engineered a machine that can handle such raw power. It's a testament to human ingenuity, and a must-see for anyone fascinated by heavy machinery. Well, I think this is the world's most expensive Christmas tree. This MJ3025 multi-rip saw machine is awesome. It slices through multiple boards at once like a hot knife through butter. It's incredible how fast and precise it is. I learned that it can handle boards up to 300 millimeters wide and 50 millimeters thick. It makes you wonder how they design those blades to stay so sharp and accurate. It's a testament to human ingenuity. Wow, I've never seen anything like this. It effortlessly split that massive beech log in seconds. The speed and precision were incredible. This is a great example of how to remove a stump and improve your soil at the same time. That excavator makes quick work of it, and by mixing the ash into the ground, they're giving the soil a nice boost of nutrients and helping to adjust the pH. Smart. This log and soil road construction technique is a time-tested method, particularly well-suited for terrains with elevation changes. By utilizing readily available materials like logs and soil, it offers a cost-effective solution for accessing remote areas. The logs create a stable foundation, distributing weight effectively, while the compacted soil provides a durable driving surface. However, it's crucial to recognize its limitations in terms of longevity and suitability for heavy traffic or extreme weather. Ever seen an excavator wrestle a tree? Well, these guys decided to ditch the chainsaw and put this beast to the test. It's like they're saying, can this machine do it all? Let's find out. And you know what? It's kind of mesmerizing to watch. You almost forget there's an easier way to do this, because you're just hooked on seeing if the excavator can pull it off. Pretty wild, huh?
There it goes. Timber! All right.
So, who do you think reigns supreme in the world of forestry machines? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this epic showdown, be sure to give it a like and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next battle.